Love. Only from the heart can you touch the sky. Rumi. Love, the most beautiful feeling in the world, can make you do things you never could. It can make you feel like you are on top of the world, like you have found the missing piece of yourself that you never knew existed. Love can be many things. It can be comforting. It can be electrifying. It can be wild and passionate. And it can be soft and tender. Whatever form it takes, there is no denying that love is a force to be reckoned with. Perhaps one of the most incredible things about love is the way it inspires us. It encourages us to be brave, take risks, and open ourselves to vulnerability. It can make us feel alive like nothing else can. Don't take my word for it. Throughout history, poets and writers have tried to capture the essence of love in words. Here are a few of my favorite romantic quotes and references. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. Aristotle. In vain have I struggled? It will not do. My feelings will not be repressed. You must allow me to tell you how ardently I admire and love you. Jane Austen. Pride and Prejudice. To love or have loved, that is enough. Ask nothing further. There is no other pearl to be found in the dark folds of life. Victor Hugo. Les Miserables. Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same. Emily Bronte. Wuthering Heights. With words like these, it's clear that love is a powerful emotion that has inspired some of the most beautiful literature in the world. When you're in love, it's easy to get swept away in the romance. You may find yourself daydreaming about your loved one, reliving happy memories, and planning for your future together. It's a heady feeling that can bring enormous joy and fulfillment. But love isn't just about the happy moments. It's also about navigating the more challenging times together. Whether you're dealing with a disagreement, a setback, or a significant life change, love can help you weather the storm. It reminds you that you're not alone in the world and have someone who has your back no matter what. Ultimately, though, the most romantic thing about love is its ability to transform us. It makes us better people, compassionate, understanding, and forgiving. It brings out the best in us and helps us to see the world in a new way. So whoever you are, wherever you are, if you're lucky enough to have found love, cherish it, treat it with care, and nurture it as if it were the most precious thing in the world. Because, in many ways, it is. Open your hands if you want to be held. Rumi.